Up here on the second floor of our 1880s house is where, well, basically two houses come together. We have got the addition right there coming together in the old house, and Charlie, where old meets new always causes a whole host of problems, including what to do with the flooring.
Right. There's always a question, which way do people want the floors to run? Up here we chose to run it the long way with the hallway.
Makes sense, right? I mean, that's a long hallway, and you'd hate to see it sort of chopped up with the boards going this way.
It does, but in the old part of the house, the old bedroom, we're forced to actually run it the opposite direction. The old bedroom here, our floorboards actually run perpendicular.
So you're thinking of a transition?
Yeah, we're going to break it right here at the door where you typically would. So this will be our, call it flush threshold.
Which means you would continue these boards in this direction until we reach that threshold?
That's right. And we want this board going this direction to actually break under the door when it's closed. So when the door is closed, you see the flooring running one way, and the other part, it will actually run the opposite way.
Yeah.
Flush right in.
And so why do we have to change the direction of the boards in this bedroom?
The old floorboards are actually pretty uneven, so I really wanted to go across the floorboards so that it would really lay flat.
So new subflooring out here, old floorboards in there, kind of pins us into a corner.
That's right.
All right, so this is ready for installation.
It is.
So Josiah and his guys, I saw them put almost like a control row down right here, start in the middle of the room.
That's right, and that's really parallel with these walls. So when you're looking from the other side, that floor is nice and straight.
Put that in, block it temporarily so they can install this way.
That's right.
And then when they can pull those out and continue that way.
That's exactly right.
You got a lot of wood to put down in this house.
A few thousand feet.
Whew. All right. Thank you, Josiah. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.